Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Asphalt 9. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Asphalt 9 application. Once you are inside the main homepage of your Asphalt 9, go ahead and tap on the mail icon with a human icon in it at the top left. This will then open up this interface from where you will need to select player profile at the top left. Now tap on the pencil icon at the left corner and go ahead and enter the new name of your player you would like to change to. You can only change your name for free for the first time. Simply tap on the free button and you will now be able to change your name. If you try to change your name once again, you will need to spend 30 coins. So that's how you can easily change your player's name on Asphalt 9. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.